hello, speechers, and welcome to today's storytelling time. Remember the Kareens? Well, they are with the moving truck at their driveway. The furniture, little by little, is filling the new rooms in the new house. And now we go to the dining room. Ready? So, the Kareens tell the staff. Next, move to the dining room. Set the table in the center, strong and welcoming. Put 6 chairs around it and let's place a vase of fresh flowers in the middle. The chandelier above sparkles softly and the entire room feels ready for family dinners and special celebrations. When the kids peek in, they pretend to sit and share their very first meal, laughing and pretending to eat delicious food, like in one regular morning. And they share some morning chatter too. Now, let's turn to the kitchen, the heart of the home. And the Kareens tell the staff, place the refrigerator in the corner near the sink and set the stove where the family can easily cook together. Arrange the plates and glasses in the cupboards, put the coffee machine on the counter, and let's keep space bright and clean for us to enjoy. The kitchen now looks cheerful and full of promise. No se olviden seguirnos, darle me gusta, darle clic para suscribirse y buscarnos en TikTok y en Instagram. Ahí podrán encontrar las versiones cortitas del vocabulario utilizado en las historias, la gramática y podemos seguir interactuando. Pregunte, comente, que estaré gustosa de contestar por ahí. See you soon, speechers.